We'll guide you through how to master Todoist time management efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Todoist website. Log in with your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your dashboard, you need to create a new project by clicking on the ADD Project button on the left sidebar. Name your project and choose a color that will make it stand out. This will help you visually organize your tasks. Next, within your project, start adding tasks by clicking on the ADD Task button. Be sure to write a clear and concise title for each task. Use the keyboard shortcut Q to quickly add tasks, which can save you time. Now, to manage your time effectively, set due dates and times for each task. Click on the calendar icon next to each task to open the date picker. You can set specific times to ensure you allocate the right amount of time for each task. Todoist's natural language processing allows you to type phrases like tomorrow at 3 p.m. to schedule tasks quickly. For recurring tasks, type phrases like every Monday to set them automatically. To prioritize your tasks, use the priority flags. Click on the flag icon next to a task and choose from 4 levels of priority, with red being the most urgent. This helps you focus on what needs immediate attention. You can also use labels and filters to further organize your tasks. Create a label by clicking on the ADD Label button in the left sidebar, then assign it to tasks that share a common theme or context. Filters can be customized to show tasks that meet certain criteria, like all tasks due this week or all high-priority tasks. This can streamline your workflow and help you focus on what matters most. Finally, take advantage of Todoist's productivity tracking. Head over to the Productivity section by clicking on the graph icon at the top right. Here, you can review your completed tasks and trends over time, which can help you make better decisions about how to manage your time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.